everyone and welcome back to Maths with Sukirti or YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to start with question number 5, exercise 2.4, chapter 2 polynomials. This is from class 9th Maths NCERT book. So let us read the question first. There is nothing to read. Well, question number 5 is factorize, and these are all our 4 parts. So these, as you can see, these are cubic polynomials, and I have already covered the factorization of cubic polynomial in the video where I explained all the concepts like factor theorem, splitting the middle term method, and factorization of cubic polynomials. So if anyone who has not seen that video, they can take an idea. So please watch that video before solving these questions. Let us start with part number 1. This is x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Now, what do we do to factorize it? We try hit and trial method. Hit and trial method. We will be trying different values, and we will see that at which value of x will we be getting 0. Now, let us try in this plus 1. So, putting x equals to plus 1, x cube plus 1 cube minus 2 1 square, plus 1 square minus 1 plus 2. You can write 1 or plus 1, they both are the same things. Okay, so plus 1 cube is 1, minus 2 into 1 square is 2, minus plus minus 1 and plus 2. Okay, now here you can see minus 2 and plus 2. Can we cancel them out? Yes. And here also plus 1 and minus 1. Can we cancel them out? Yes. So we are left with 0. So, I just tried this value. At the first place, I have got 0. So that is my luck. But in case that can happen, that I could have tried plus 2 or plus 3 before plus 1, but we start with a value which is easy for us. Okay, so I started with plus 1. I've got 0 here. So can I say that at x equals to plus 1, we are getting the value of this polynomial as 0. So I can say, if I take this plus 1 here on the left hand side, we will be getting x minus 1 equals to 0. And our first factor of this cubic polynomial is x minus 1. X minus 1. So we'll write it here. Now what is our second step? By this factor, we are going to divide this whole polynomial so that I can get the other factor. Okay, so let us proceed with that. I'll take next page. Here, so we have got x minus 1 till now. Now we are going to divide this by x minus 1. So what are we going to do? How do we do long division? We will first focus on the first term, so that is x cube. I'll be taking here x square, so that x minus 1 into x square will give us x into x square as x cube. Okay, so first this thing needs to be vanished. Now x minus 1 into x square will give us x cube. Also, minus 1 into x square will give us minus x square, right? Here, minus x square. So, this we got now. Now, we have to make plus as minus and minus as plus, so that the first term get cancelled, and with the other term, we are left with minus x square, because minus 2x square plus x square will give us minus x square. Now, the next term gets down here, minus x, and at the first place now we are with minus x square, so we want here minus x, such that x minus 1 into minus x will give us minus x square at the first place, and at the second place minus 1 into minus x will give us plus x. We will make this minus as plus, and this here will become minus. This will get cancelled out, and minus x will get us minus 2x, and that plus 2 will get down here. Now in our new dividend, we have minus 2x at the first place. We have to select with x minus 1 minus 2 such that we will get minus 2x plus 2. So our main aim is to get the first term of the dividend getting cancelled. So here we will be selecting minus 2, minus 2x plus 2 here. This will become plus, this will become minus, it will get cancelled out, and we are left with 0. So our another factor is this quotient, x square minus x minus 2. So can we factorize it more? Yes, because it is a quadratic polynomial and we have learned splitting the middle term method to factorize it. So here I will erase this part. We will write it here, x square minus x minus 2. Factorizing it more with the help of splitting the middle term method. What we do in splitting the middle term, our first step is to multiply the first term with the last term. So x square is our first term and the last term is minus 2. We are getting minus 2x square as the product here. Now we want two numbers such that their sum should give us the middle term and the product should be minus 2x square. And their product should be minus 2x square. So can we select 2 and 1 for getting the product? Because 2 into 1 will give us 2 only. And x should be with them. Now, what should be the sign of them? If I select both of them as minus 2x and minus 1x, they will not give us sum as the middle term, which is minus x. Yes, minus 3x will be their sum that we do not want. So, cancel these signs. We will not be taking minus and minus. So, what we want? We want minus x. So, minus x, we want the greater number to be in minus. The greater number should be negative such that we'll be getting the sign of the greater number here as minus. And we want to subtract them basically, 2 minus 1. So we want to make this, we have to make 1x positive such that minus 2x plus 1x will give us minus x. So our two numbers are minus 2x and plus 1x. Minus 2x and plus 1x. I have written here very neatly. Here we will be replacing the middle term, x square minus 2x plus 1x minus 2, the last term as it is. Take common out of these two first terms. X we are getting in common, x minus 2 will get inside, and from here what do we need to take common such that the other bracket also becomes x minus 2. So we need to take plus 1 in common such that the other bracket remains same. X minus 2 we have got with both of them. So x minus 2 will be taking common now, and x from here and from here we will be getting plus 1 common. These are the other two factors. So all of the factors we are writing together. X minus 1 we got from the first part, and factorizing it later we got x minus 2 and x plus 1. Either you can write it like this or you can write it like x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x plus 1. This is the answer. Okay. Coming on to the next part. So our next part is x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. So in this one, again we are going to start with hit and trial method. Let us take x equals to plus 1. Right? So, that is the most easy value. So, let us put that and let's see what comes. Plus 1 cube. This is 1 only. 1. Minus 3 plus 1 square. Minus 9 into plus 1 and minus 5 here. 1 cube will give us 1 only. Minus 3 into 1 will give us minus 3. Minus 9 into 1 will give us minus 9 and minus 5. Here we can see there are so many terms with negative sign, and they're never going to give us 0, right? So putting plus 1 is not correct. So x equals to plus 1 is not giving us 0. This value we do not need. Let us try some other value. X equals to minus 1. Let us put that. So x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Minus 1 cube minus 3 minus 1 square minus 9 into minus 1 and minus 5. Here we are getting minus 1 cube as minus 1. Minus 3 into 1 square will give us minus 3. Minus 9 into minus 1 will give us plus 9 and minus 5 at the last. Now here we can see that plus 9 we have here. There is no other number with positive sign, and we have minus plus minus 1 minus 3 will give us minus 4, and minus 4 minus 5, minus 4 and minus 5, minus 4 and minus 5. What will they give us? Minus minus plus minus 9, right? It will get cancelled out and it will get us 0. So this is the value we wanted, and now I can see I have the first factor as x plus 1, as x plus 1. Okay, proceeding with this factor, we are going to divide this polynomial, this cubic polynomial, and we will be finding other factors. So we are going to divide this polynomial with x plus 1. Let us start. Focus on the first term. We are going to take x square at the first place, such that we are getting x cube plus 1 into x square is plus x square. Now this plus becomes minus and plus becomes minus here. This will get cancelled out, and here it will be minus 2x square, because minus is plus. I'm so sorry. It will be minus 4x square, because minus is plus, and 3x square plus 1x square will give us minus 4x square. Now minus x will get down, minus 9x will get down here. We will be taking we will be taking minus 4x now, such that we will be getting minus 4x into x as minus 4x square plus 1 into minus 4x as minus 4x. Now this will become plus, this will become plus, and it will get cancelled out. Here we will be left with minus 5x, right? Minus 5 will get down here, and we will be taking minus 5 now, such that we will be getting minus 5x minus 5. Now it will become plus, getting cancelled out, and we are left with 0. Division is complete, and we have our quadratic polynomial x square minus 4x minus 5. Factorizing it with the help of splitting the middle term method. First step is to multiply the first term with the last term, minus 5. We are getting minus 5x square. We are going to get two numbers, such that our product should be this, and our sum should be the middle term, that is minus 4x. Let us take 5 into 1, because we will be getting 5 into 1 as 5. Place x with it, such that we will be getting 5x square. We want the middle term negative, minus. So we want our greater number to be in negative sign, and we want this 1x in positive sign. Why? Because that's how we will be getting minus 5x plus 1x minus plus minus 5x minus 1x will give us 4x, and I have placed negative sign with the greater number such that I can get the negative sign in the result. So here we are done with finding out those two numbers. Replace the middle term with that, x square minus 5x plus 1x minus 5. Here take common out of first two terms. X we are getting out common. X minus 5 will be getting inside. See, how do we take common? The highest power of something present in both of them, that will be getting outside. That will be getting common. Okay, so I can say x to the power 1, x to the power 1 and x to the power 1 in both of these two terms. That's how I am getting x to the power 1 outside, common. Right? We can't take x to the power 2 outside. I hope everybody knows how to take common. If you don't know, you can learn by other videos how to take common. Right? So x is common between these two terms. Now from the last two terms, we'll be taking out plus 1 only, because that's how we will be getting x minus 5 inside. We want these two brackets to be same. That's how we know that we are doing everything correctly. Now x minus 5 we will be getting in common here, x minus 5 from both of them, and we will be left with x plus 1 inside, right? So we are done with finding out all the factors. X plus 1 was our first one, then x minus 5 and x plus 1 again. These are all the factors of this cubic polynomial. So thank you so much for watching this video. I will be meeting you in the next video with a new question. Till then, do subscribe to my channel. Also, do press the bell icon so that you never miss any update. And you can comment me in the comment box if you have any query, any doubt, or have any new question to ask. Take care. Bye-bye.